Everything in life happens for a reason, and change is a part of that process. Nature is governed by the four elements of our planet: fire, air, water, and earth. Life is sustained and presented with change by adapting to whatever is there. Life continues. It cannot stop. Do the trees grieve for all of the lost leaves that fall and are tossed around by the wind? No. Trees settle in for winter and adjust to the changes of each season. Do eucalypts die and become extinct when bushfires rush through the national parks? No. The fires release seeds and germination occurs upon blackened charcoal barks. Can life exist in a barren desert under the burning heat of the sun? Yes. Desert plants have grown longer roots while waiting for the seasonal rains to come. We as humans must adapt to these changes as well. And the only way we can is by living in harmony with nature.